guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge your accounts on Rainbow Six Siege. So basically the answer is to this question is you cannot actually merge your accounts if it's from one device to another, like another certain device and another platform. You cannot. You'll have to actually make a new account. So actually there's some cases that I've seen where you can actually merge it by going to the help right here. So first you want to go to help and get help. So once you get help right here, you will want to scroll down and look for the game. So we're gonna go with Rainbow Six Siege right here. So Rainbow Six Siege. And then once you just scroll down, just contact them. And as you can see, select this game, the Rainbow Six Siege. And then if you're selecting the platform, you must select the first platform that you want to merge from. So you're playing on PC and you want to make it to an Xbox One. So just select PC first and then go with account management and then your account queries. So from there, or actually you can go back and do your account linking. So there's going to be two things there. There's account linking also. So here, account linking, and then you want to describe to them your account and give them details about your email and the things that you want to add, like this files, maybe screenshots, and then open the case and they will get right back to you. So the answer is no, you cannot link them only unless you have help from Ubisoft. So there you go, guys. That is how you actually do it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.